Hi everybody, today this is going to be an unboxing. This is 4 Angry Birds plushes that I ordered on Facebook Marketplace. I'm just going to jump right into this because I don't feel like waiting. The main reason why I got this is because it came with a howl plush. I didn't blur out the address, so hold on. I'm just going to rip that off. Just make it so you can see it. I see the screen. Wow, this thing is humongous, dude. Wow. And also, like, impossible to get out. Wow, this thing's big. And it still has its tags, too. Oh, this is a Sun Woo plush. Huh, that's weird. So this plush is from a different country. We have this red bird, which may also be made by Sun Woo. This one doesn't have its tags anymore. This one has like beads in it. It's weird, but that's cool. And then two of these weird-looking key clip bombers. Oh wow, this one's tag is like completely destroyed. I think I'm gonna use this one in my videos and not this one. But it looks like these are made by Sun Woo, which is a company that's made a couple of different Angry Birds plushes before. So it's kind of surprising that I got some of these because I know these are pretty rare. Well, let me just check. Yeah, this is around an 8-inch plush, so it isn't like huge, but it's definitely big. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I hope you liked this unboxing video. I know I've made like a ton recently, but I'm just trying to make something that I can upload to YouTube. So yeah, goodbye.